Welcome to another edition of Matters of Law. Matters of Law, the law reigns supreme. Connect with us on extvgh on YouTube and explore tvgh on Facebook. Today, we are talking about contract. How do you enter into a contract? Let's go for a spot of commission.
This program is brought to you by PEG Enterprise. Call us on 0240 533 097 0240 533 097 for your delicious pastries, cookies and drinks. Locate PEG Enterprise near KK House in Ho.
Welcome back. Today we are talking about contracts. How to enter into a contract. What do you need to consider when you are entering into a contract? This subject matter is very broad. So I'll begin with offer and acceptance, and we'll look at consideration and intention to create legal relations. For those of you who are reading law and those who have done business law, this will be a familiar topic to you. It is important that our daily lives are shown or exhibited through the contract that we enter into. For example, if you want to pick a taxi, you enter into a contract with the taxi driver. Or if you want to pick a motorbike, depending on where you are, if the laws allow you, you enter into a contract with a motor rider where you pay for the services that are being rendered. Now, it is important for us to understand that the one who is asking for a service is the one who is offering. And the one who agrees to give that service is the one who accepts that offer. So in contract, you hear of offer and acceptance. Now, if you go to a shop and you see things which have been displayed on the shelf, it is what we call an invitation to treat. Invitation to treat in the sense that you decide whether you want to pick whatever has been displayed. When you take that item and you take it to the one at the counter, then you are offering to buy it. For example, if milk has been displayed on the shelf and you pick the milk and you take it to the one at the counter, then you are offering to buy that tin of milk, or you are offering to buy that carton of milk. The one at the counter may decide to sell that, or may decide to accept your money in exchange of what you having the tin of milk. If that person accepts your money, remember what you are giving as money is what we refer to as consideration. It's what you are giving in exchange of you getting the tin of milk. And once that person accepts it, we say an acceptance has taken place. We must also understand that it is not every relationship, or it's not every offer and acceptance that gives us what we refer to as an intention to create legal relations. For example, if two brothers decide that one is going to give the other maybe a cassette, or one is going to give the other banana or something of that sort, that agreement between them would ordinarily not have any intention to create legal relations. But there are exceptional situations where if the people intend to be bound by law or intend to enter into a contract, they would sign a document or they sign an agreement, or they will exhibit that intention that they are bound by law. Very much notable is the fact that sometimes when we enter into contract, we decide that whatever we are supposed to pay in exchange or our consideration may be given later. Whatever the agreement is for consideration to come later does not invalidate the contract. Now let me make this point. It is not every single contract which is in writing. Some contracts are oral and they are still valid. But there are some contracts which are required to be in writing. For example, contract for the sale of land or for conveyance of an interest in land. That needs to be written because the laws that govern that particular transaction require that it be written for it to be valid. It is important to know that when you are selling a car and you give a particular price, and that's the price you're selling the car. For example, you're selling the car for 35,000 cedis. And the one you want to sell the car to says that I cannot buy for 35,000 Ghana cedis, but I offer to give you 30,000 cedis. Remember, that person has given you a counter offer. It is up to you to decide to accept that counter offer or reject it. Whenever you agree to a counter offer, remember that person has given an offer and you are now the one accepting that offer that has been given to you. The consideration may be given in money. I mean, whatever is given in exchange of whatever you are getting may be given in money or may be given in kind. Whatever the situation is, that it must be something valuable. That is what the law requires. Thank you for watching this edition of Matters of Law. We've been talking about contracts, and we've dealt with offer and acceptance and intention to create legal relations, whilst we discuss consideration. Catch us on extvgh on YouTube and Explore TVGH on Facebook. Matters of Law, the law reigns supreme. Thank you.
To support this program, contact XTV on 024 606 1095 or 050 836 4159, or send us an email to info@extvgh.com.